Hey guys, we received this solar lantern. This is a glass solar lantern for the outdoor. It's a waterproof 16-inch flickering flame solar lantern. So it's a hanging metal lantern or decorative for a patio or a front porch or the garden. So it's a vintage look as well. So you can see comes in a nice protective packing, and this is the main so glass top and then the metal sides. So looks really nice and real lantern. And then you can see the inside is like a flickering thing. So I can show you the demo. So let me just clean up the stuff. So this is the on and off button in the bottom. And now you can see, and the top is the solar panel. So that will charge. You have to remove this protective uh, coating from it, and then once this is all done, so you can see there is a sensor here, like when there is a dark, the flickering will start, so it will automatically initiate it in the the dark or the evening time, and then this will come up charge in the solar like the sunlight time. So you can see the flickering effect. So I will show this flickering effect in the night thing as well. I'm putting it outside for the solar charge so that it will charge for some time before I can initiate. And it's on for now, so that it will charge, but then it will not on because it's a daylight. So see, in the evening or the night time, it gets started in here, and then in the dark. So it's a very nice and cool, like flickering effect. Looks like some candle is there, and then it's solar charge, so it's good. Also, the look and the feel is good. The quality is good. Really nice lantern that you can hang, or you can put it outside, and with the vivid LED light candles. So it's a windproof, frost-free, or the heat resistant and the waterproof. So good for the outdoor use. Very nice lantern.